Hey y'all, and welcome to the Here to Uplift podcast, where we center the stories of impactful change makers, entrepreneurs, and community leaders. These powerful stories from all the amazing guests featured here inspire us to have more meaningful conversations and ask bigger, better questions. Today is a short episode, what I like to call a minicast, to get the convo flowing. I'm Lolo Fisher, your host, lover of all things wellness, healing, and women's empowerment, and I would greatly appreciate if once you listen, you also show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing this podcast with a friend. Now, let's get into it. I'm sorry, but I don't subscribe to the idea of being colorblind. I don't see color. I hear it way too often, particularly when people are talking to me, and I recognize that I'm mixed, so most people are using it with the intentions of it being a compliment or kind of satisfying their own ego and saying that they don't discriminate. But here's the problem with that and why I don't subscribe to this idea of colorblindness, of a post-racial America, or however you want to label it. You have to see people fully. I am Black. I am mixed. I have a lot of layers to myself of who I am. We can throw in lots of terms when you talk about social justice and intersectionality and so on and so on and so on. But without the terms, my point is that I need you to see me. I am not only Black. I am not only a mixed girl. I am not just light-skinned. When you don't see color, you don't see who I am fully. My experience as a Black woman in the United States is very particular and unique to me, and at the same time, it shares a lot of qualities with other Black women in the United States. So the next time you're thinking about saying, I don't see color or color isn't that important to me, think again. Who are you talking to and what is your point? Because you don't want to erase somebody's experience of their color, their race, their culture out here in America or wherever you are by saying that you're colorblind. I don't subscribe to it.